Hello, this is a video installation guide for the new DTDCH script suite. In this video, we are going to talk about how to install the scripts as well as the applications. Also going over some privacy and security issues the computer might run into when you install the applications. So first, we want to go into system preferences and go into security and privacy. And the first step what we want to do is under general, we want to allow apps downloaded from anywhere and not just the Mac App Store. So we want to unlock our computer and just click anywhere. And we are allowing from anywhere. Okay? And at this point, we want to go into the Finder and we want to make sure that the applications folder as well as the libraries folder is under favorites. To access the library folder, we want to go to Go. And once we're in the Go menu, we want to hold down the Option key and we want to, in the library folder shows up, we want to click on that. Once library folder is here, we want to make sure we're in the column view so that we're able to drag the folder into the sidebar here. So now we have the applications folder and the library folder for quick access later on when we want to install the files and the application. At this point, you should have downloaded the script suite zip file, and once you unzip, it will look like this. So within the folder, there are two folders, and it tells you what goes where. So it's fairly simple. So let's do the first one. We want to drag these two applications, which is Activate and Shutter Control DTDCH, into the application folder. So secondly, we want to drag the three script folders, the background scripts, the crowd manipulator, and the shutter integration into the Capture One script folder. So to access Capture One script folder, we want to go into Library. So we'll open up a new window here. We want to go into Library. We want to go up into Scripts and go into Capture One scripts. So as you can see, we can just drag these over. And we do want to replace the background scripts from the new one to the old one. Replacing the old one with the new one. So once the scripts are installed and the application installed, we're pretty much on our way to start Capture One. First up, actually right now we want to do is go into Activate, one of the application we just installed, and we want to launch it, and we want to make sure that it is assigned with the right shortcut key. So we want to add item, and the item we want to add is one of the script we installed earlier. So we want to go to the library. We want to go to scripts, Capture One scripts, and under the shutter integration folder, we want to select the trigger script. Once it's selected, it's going to ask us to input a hotkey sequence. So we will use Command K, since that's the hotkey command for capturing in Capture One. So click done. And the second part, Activate. Second part of things we need to do for Activate is actually hold down Control and click, and then go to Preferences. What we want to do is actually launch Activate at login, so that every time computer is turned off and turned back on, the application will be relaunched. Okay, so at this point, Activate is all set. The second app we install is the Shutter Control software. We want to just open up and make sure that it is running and functioning. So this is good. So now we can launch Capture One. Okay. So at this point, all the scripts are installed. And if you go to the scripts tab, you'll see an option that says Update Scripts menu. Once you click that, you'll see the different scripts, the new crop manipulator with all the different crop styles, and as well as the shutter control integration. Okay, so at this point, one last security and privacy settings we need to change. So let's go to System Preferences here and go to Security and Privacy. So what we're doing right now is actually going to Accessibility and allowing Capture One and Activate to control our computer. So what we want to do is unlock here. And if you do not see Activate or Capture One, you're able to add it manually. So if you want to add it manually, just go to the plus sign here. And we're going to add Capture One. And then Capture One and select it. And we want to just check off Activate. Now we're allowing these two apps to control our computer. So at this point, with Activate installed, Capture One's here with the new script installed, as well as the Schneider shutter control software installed, we're ready to go. Essentially, this will allow a flawless integration between Capture One and Schneider shutter software. As you open the lens, as you go into live view, the lens will open up, and as you exit live view, the lens will close down automatically. So the operator can focus on really capturing and not worry about the hardware at hand. One last thing, and very important thing we want to talk about here is part of the script. If you're not using an RCam, if you're using anything but an RCam, you will have to go to the Open Script folder selection here. And we want to make sure the script called the DTDCH Integrate Shutter and Launch script is disabled. This will receive an error every time you go into a live view if you're not using an RCam. So we want to if you're not using an RCam, we want to take this script and just put it into the disabled script folder. That way it will not be used. Okay, so now you have all the components for the suite, and you should have no problem working with the Capture One and the software. If you have any questions, please email us at support@digitaltransitions.com, and we'll help you answer any questions you have. Thank you.